little artists. Today, we are going to draw some super yummy fast food. Are you ready? Great! First, we will draw a big, yummy burger. Look at those layers: bun, cheese, patty, and some fresh lettuce. Doesn't it look delicious? Now let's draw some crispy French fries. One fry. Two fries. Three fries. Oops, I think we need a lot more. Wow, it looks so delicious. Next, we have a yummy hot dog. Let's give it a soft bun and a tasty sausage. And don't forget the little squiggly sauce on top. Do you like eating hot dogs? Tell me in the comments which fast food you love the most. Now it's time for a cheesy pizza slice. Add some cheese, tomato, and yummy toppings. Do you like pizza too? But not least, a crispy fried chicken piece. It looks crunchy and super tasty. And there we go! Our fast food drawings are finally complete. But wait, we are not finished yet. Now comes my favorite part. Before coloring, make the outline bow first. Let's make the cheese bright and yellow. Petty brown. And the lettuce fresh and green. I'm going to give the bun a warm golden brown color. Our burger looks even more delicious now. Now let's color our French fries. Let's make the fries golden and crispy. It's time to color our hot dog. A beautiful red sauce on top. some warm colors to the bun. And we'll give the box a bright, fun color. Let's color our pizza golden crust. Gooey yellow cheese. Bright red pepperoni. And sweet yellow corn. Our pizza is looking amazing. And finally, let's color our crispy fried chicken. Let's give it that beautiful golden orange color. It looks crunchy, crispy, and super yummy. Yay, we did it!